Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about group by execution with the hands-on. Earlier session also we have seen many examples in aggregate function. You check it and you review and you cover all the sessions. Whereas it's pretty easy to understand about group by till now. And here also this is an especially designed for group by only. For simple examples, I will show you with the simple demonstration. Now see, select statement I have prepared with the select order ID from order details. Now what my I'll show you first the execution of a select statement over here. See now here select start from order details. That's it. Execute. See, these are the columns are available in my order details table. Now here I am taking order ID from here. You see here, this is the order ID I am taking. Order underscore ID. Why? There is a mini category, many duplicate rows are there in this particular order. All right. So I group it and how many orders are going to be making in a move. Likewise, the quantity is here with that order, that particular order. What is the how many quantity of the products are going to be dispatching? If I want to know, now we will see here simply order ID from order details like group by order ID. Now see here, that's it simple, and I can mention it quantity of the items. Select start from complete data I'm taking here. Yes, I'm forgotten to select the particular this statement only. Yes, now order ID, comma, quantity space from order details. Now let's check this statement. Yes, we are able to getting as an output. Now let's check this. Yes, why we are getting an error over here? In group by, once we are selecting an items, the group by should be mentioned how many items are there in the select statement. We have to make it as a mandatory to mention in the group by statement over there. You the people strongly remember, it's a very important question where you are entering into interviews, and as an SQL professional you are going to be attending an interviews wherever it's required. This is a very important where you how many multiple columns you are going to be selecting at the select point, where you have to mention as in a group by that particular category of the items, and you have to get as in a proper output. All right, in addition to this, you can check with this, if I mentioned aggregate function, you can skip it. Now see, select here and sum of quantity. You see the sum of quantity. Now you can, let's say, run. Yeah, quantity is not allowing here. Let me check here. Now run this. Yeah. Okay. What the query is saying that the quantity of the items based on the group of order ID. Order group I like a group by what it's going to do making is how many rows are available with that particular group ID. It is grouping on that particular group based on the group ID, the quantity, how many it is. The order items are there, multiple items, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it. That how many quantity of items it is totaling, like a sum I have applied here is an aggregate function. The sum of the, based on the order ID, the sum of the quantity it's showing here. All right. In advanced 2, we can implement this one like order by, we can specify in ascending order as well as descending order, but we have seen in aggregate functions as well. AC and press Fi, it will shows, and DSC for descending order. Press Fi, check this. How pretty easy. All right. And also you can specify, if you have mentioned any another column, you have to specify on group by. All right. This is very important to execute group by statements. For the purpose, we have mentioned here in this separate session for this group by. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.